Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic on this Thursday. And we have a midweek haul. We have some Walgreens 60% off of puffs. Do I have your attention? We have some Dollar General pennies that include those gorgeous little baskets and some very cheap PNG large tides over at Meijer, which always has your attention, doesn't it? If you guys could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. Really helps out the channel in the video if you could just like it. So appreciate it. Thank you so much in advance, guys. First store that we're at is Walgreens, and on Wednesday morning, we got a couple of boosters, actually quite a few. The 10 back when you spend 30 is a bit noteworthy, and there's a lot of like toothpaste ones, and this one $10 back when you buy $35 of Tylenol. So that is interesting. Load them all for next week. We will put them to good use. So these single boxes of puffs usually sell for $2.49. They're 60% off at 99 cents. So that's a good deal, and it's both the one with the lotion and the one without the lotion. A lot of people swear by the fancier tissues, or that's all you can use. I know that I have a family member with really sensitive skin, and like this is it. So definitely stock up if this is something that you like, because 99 cents is not a bad price. I would probably grab 10 and use $10 in Walgreens cash. Currently online, it's this price. In store, I'm not sure if it's the same, but it might be. Another fantastic deal in store is with these Neutrogena makeup wipes. $5 register reward when you purchase 2. And I did in fact do this deal yesterday and it worked beautifully for me. And what makes this deal really sweet is that we have this 4 off of 2 digital coupon. So make sure you have it loaded. And for all the new shoppers out there, every manufacturer digital coupon is of a one-time use. So grabbing 2 of these wipes, it's $11.98. And remember, because this is a register reward deal, you have to do this one in store. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $7.98. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $2.98 for the 2 or $1.49 per bag of makeup wipes. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. I don't know if you still might have that $5, on any, that little booster that a couple of us had. If you have that, it'll make this a complete freebie. But if you don't, it's $2.98 for the 2 or $1.49 per bag. And again, it's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. But for $1.49, this deal is a no-brainer. Stock up on these makeup wipes. Another deal that I absolutely love is the $5 Colgate brush and the sensitive toothpaste. There are two $2.50 coupons. Forgive me, guys, the second one vanished off my app, but it's essentially going to take $5 off. Make sure you're grabbing the right items that are tagged and the digital coupons are attaching. But grabbing a paste and a brush, or alternatively a mouth rinse if you want to grab that, it's going to be $10. Subtracting 2 $2.50 coupons, well, that's $5 coming off. So you're going to have to pay $5, or, if you have $5 in Walgreens cash you want to use, if you're doing the deal with no booster, you'll get back a $4 register reward, making this $1 for 2 or 50 cents per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but what a great little deal for this fancier Colgate, especially that sensitive tube. It's really fantastic toothpaste. And I'll let you guys know too, at the very end of this video, if you're interested in doing more PNG deals, I have a curbside one. I know a lot of us prefer to shop that way, especially when the weather's bad out there. I will link that video for you guys. Okay, over at the Dollar General, on Wednesday evening, a friend of mine's like, hey, you better go to your store, because in the NCI, which is the home section, a lot of these decorative baskets, which I like to use to put in stockpile goods when I'm gifting stockpile items. I hate buying this stuff, or for even Christmas for my in-laws. My father-in-law, I always make him a basket full of his favorite foods, so these are perfect. They're a penny, and a lot of stuff that's really old looking, like with wicker. If you have a brand new Dollar General, you're probably not going to find it, but if you have a store that's been around for a really long time, probably a lot of these items will be floating around. Obviously, open up that app, scan the barcodes, lots of blankets, aged baskets, and I didn't find any towels. What I did find was a lot of these aged baskets. I did take the liberties to get this collage going for you guys with some UPCs. This is mostly the baskets, but you know, if you wanted to stock up, why not grab a couple? And I think if you go out first thing on Thursday morning, you'll probably score a bunch. I certainly did on Wednesday night, and it was fun penny shopping because I was the only person in the store looking for this. And I'm sure as the day marches on, more people will be talking about this really weird list, but it's just some home goods that are very aged, probably a couple years old. And let's not forget, when you're in the store, keep your eye out for the Christmas or those toys. I made a video specifically yesterday, and while I was out and about on Wednesday night, I actually found a stack of Christmas dish towels that all pennied out because I was in that NCI section, and I don't know who put that there, but I found a bunch, and it certainly wasn't me, but I was really happy and grateful to find them because I didn't buy any penny dish towels yesterday and I couldn't find any, but I did find some after the fact. So definitely look for Christmas. There's still a whole lot of stuff. I'll link that video also at the end. The final store that we have is Meijer, which is a grocery store, specifically Midwest only. No sister store. This is not Kroger. This is the gorgeous cart of items. If you look at my Oxy Boost, there's a sample of Cascade. Make sure you're grabbing one with the sample attached. We have a Dawn, a Downy, and then one of those Swiffer wet pads. You're going to load the following digital coupons: this 10 off of 40, the $1 off the Dawn dish soap, and there's a whole host of Dawn dish soaps. If you don't like the plain blue one that I picked out, there's the ones with the super suds and all that stuff and platinum. And then the other coupons that you're going to load is the $2 off that Swiffer refill. And if you don't like those wet packs, you can get like a little duster or something like that. But I got the wet packs because we use that a lot right now with dirty winter boots all over the place. That $3 off the Downy liquid fabric softener, it's going to attach to Big Blue. And then the $3 off the Tide liquid. If you want to get Tide Pods, go for that as well, but I wanted the sample of those Cascades, so I went with the liquid. So into your cart, you can either use the Scan and Go, although a friend of mine was having problems with the Scan and Go yesterday, but just maybe practice by putting this in the Scan and Go so you could see the prices and then just ring it up normally at the register at self-checkout. But we're going to throw in one of these softeners. And then we're also going to throw in one of these Swiffers, and it's a 24 pack, so you do have a lot. If you have pets or, you know, just you're making messes in your kitchen, it's fantastic. And then one of these $4.99 Dawn dish soaps. This is always a popular one. Everybody always wants this from me. And then either a Tide Pod or a Tide Liquid. I went with the liquid because I wanted the sample of those dishwasher pods. Now, just to show you, the overall total is $43.66. And after all of the magic and coupons, it's $21.96. If you might have a little bit of IBOTTA money that you want to throw into this deal, you know, use an IBOTTA gift card to Meijer, or if you have any Meijer cash as well, just to get a lower out of pocket, that might be a smart move. That's it for this video. Watch the linked ones right here, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.